Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the Wet n Wild mystery box. Oh, did you hear that? So thank you to Sierra for pointing out that this was available now, and I actually ordered it before I started seeing Trend Mood post about it, so I'm really excited. The gist is it is $19.99 and it's supposed to give you, I think, 12 items, and the value is supposed to be $47.98. Let me just double check all of that. It is still available, that's why I'm trying to get it up tonight for you guys. So it is the Mega Mystery Bag for $19.99. So this is what she looks like right here, and yes, it says there are 12 items valued at $47.98. We put a little something for everyone in this bag. Wet n Wild's so affordable and has some really good drugstore products. I do anticipate having probably a lot of things in this box that I already own, but the great news is I have a giveaway going on right now that I wanted to add some items to. So if you want to enter the giveaway that will include some of these items at least, then go check out my vlog number 97. It was not this past Monday, but the Monday before, and in that video I will tell you guys how to enter this giveaway. So this is my 17,000 subscriber giveaway, so be sure you are subscribed, turn on those notifications, and I'll be announcing the winner in a couple of weeks. So without further ado, let's get into it. So I will give you one little tip about ordering this. If you want to order this and you want it to be a surprise, don't really look at your order summary, because the one thing that they did that I thought was a little bit annoying was when you order this and your order summary comes through, it tells you item by item what you're getting. So I didn't really enjoy that. I saw the first couple of things and then I just ignored it. So I didn't go through and look at everything. But so just forewarned, if you get that email and it's like, yay, your order's confirmed, don't look at it because it will kind of ruin the surprise. So let's dive in. The first thing I see is the Unicorn Glow highlighting brush. I actually have this. I do really enjoy this brush. I like this one for highlight, but I also really like it for blush. Good little precision to get it right where you want it. So this will of course be going into the giveaway. I just did a huge brush collection, brush declutter, so I'm trying my best not to add any brushes into my collection, but I'm really glad that I have this already because it's a great item to go into the giveaway. And next we have the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Natural Finish Setting Spray. So I currently am using the one with the coconut in it, and I love it. I think they did a really good job with it. It's a little bit on the smaller side, but it's so affordable. So still a really great item to get. I don't believe I've ever tried just the natural finish setting spray, so I will definitely add this one into my collection and I will try it out really soon. Okay, we have a Color Icon Baked Blush. This is limited edition and this is Hummingbird Hype. I want to say that I have this. I think I'm about to check my drawer really quick. So you guys can tell I'm a makeup hoarder when I still have this box. So this was the limited edition box that came in, and I do have it. So I'm gonna put this brand new one aside for the giveaway. So Hummingbird Hype looks like this. It is absolutely stunning. It's a very glowy blush, but I'm gonna swatch it for you. So I would think of this as more of a blush topper because it's super glowy, but it is a beautiful color. I would love to see this on medium to deeper skin tones as well. So I like that there's a little bit of diversity in this box, that it will work for multiple skin tones. Next we have the limited edition Fit for Queen eyeshadow palette. I also have this. I am not disappointed that I have a lot of these things. I more so got this so that I could show you guys what's in it, and bonus, I get a lot of good items for my giveaway. So I'm really excited about it. And by the way, when I tell you guys I love Wet n Wild, I have so many boxes. I should probably just recycle these boxes, but the sets are so cute together, so I just keep them in a drawer and then I know I can pull them out when needed. So this particular palette I don't have in the box. I have everything else in the box, but I've been using this palette and I've stored it somewhere else. But this is what it looks like. It's beautiful warm tones, but I know that I've used it. I know that I like it, so I will also put this one in the giveaway. Racking up, yes. This is so funny. So I got a lot of things from the Fire and Ice collection. So I got two bronzers in Bronze Dynasty and Queensland. So two different colors. I, of course, am not going to open those. I'm going to grab the ones I have. So I actually really enjoyed these bronzers. They are a bit warm for my fair skin, but I think You're Dragging Me Down was the one that I personally used. And then the other two were a bit dark for me, but still very usable. So first, Bronze Dynasty. That one's kind of medium skin tones, and then I love that Queensland is a little bit darker. So again, something for everyone. There we go. So that one's definitely warm. I feel like they could have gone even deeper in the range, but there are 3 bronzers in that collection. So again, Queensland, Bronze Dynasty, got in the mystery box, and we'll be going into the giveaway. Another item. So this is the Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in Winter Falls in LA. So this is also from that Fire and Ice collection. I love that I have these though to swatch for you guys so you know like what we're getting, and I can still leave those brand new. So this is that highlighting shade here. It's an icy white blue kind of color, but if you do not want to highlight with this, you can definitely use it on the eyes, under the brow bone. You can definitely play around with this and find some ways to use it. I even love this one in the inner corner too. So definitely a versatile product you can use multiple ways. Oh wow, this is a long pencil lip liner in the shade Berry Red. I have never used one of their pencils that's this big. I have the gel ones, which I do enjoy and I reach for a lot.
I got a nose itch.
This is such a long pencil. It's kind of cool that they do this where it's like just black right here, because even when you get down here it looks kind of like normal. So if you need a freaking red lip liner, just know that this one will last you a long time. And that's a good staple candy apple red. I love that. So very versatile. I am going to give this a try because I have not tried this formula of lip liner before. So far I'm keeping a setting spray and a lip liner. Oh, okay. I have not tried this. So this is the H2O proof liquid eyeliner. And this is in Black Noir. So this is what it looks like here. Ooh. Okay, yeah, definitely shake this up, of course, but I did this swatch after shaking it up good, and it's a pretty good, like, super black liner, and that precision applicator is a little stiff, but it actually looks like it's going to work out pretty nicely. So I am super excited to try that H2O proof liquid eyeliner. I also got the Mega Volume Waterproof Mascara. This is in a very black, and apparently this is just a new look with an improved formula. So I personally don't use a lot of waterproof mascaras. I have a couple just in case I feel like I need them, but I am not going to waste this on myself. I'm gonna put this in the giveaway, but that is what she looks like. This bag is super adorable. So this is the little bag that came inside. I kind of wish they had put this like in a bag like this. It's actually got some like decent size in it. I put that setting spray and eyeliner, and there is plenty of room to go. So I'm gonna put the goodies I'm gonna keep in there. I got the gel lip balm. This is the Pout and Love. I've never tried these actually, so again, something new to me. So here we go. There's a packaging. Definitely want to give this a little swatch. Oh, it's got a little bit more color than I would have thought. There you go. Let me know if you guys have tried this liner or lip balm, and let me know what your thoughts are. That looks really pretty. I just wiped off I had a Dior Lip Plumper on, so I'm gonna put a little bit on. That actually has some really cute color. It's more than I really expected, but that feels super nice on the lips, so I'm excited about that. And this is the shade Love, really cute, and I love this color. We have one more item left. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Slicks Lip Gloss. I have the shade Red Sensation. So here is the packaging.
Stubborn.
Here we go. Ooh, this feels like it's a thicker formula. That's pretty. So it is right here. That's a Red Sensation. It almost looks like a coppery type of red. Okay, I just wiped off my balm. My lips still feel great though. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on too. This is actually really pretty. It almost gives the effect of like a metallic lip, but obviously it's a gloss, so it's not going to be like super dry and crusty. Crusty is an awful word, but I feel like a lot of metallic lips like literally get like crusty and cracked and super dry. But this is really, really pretty. So I'm keeping my goodies in the bag. So again, I am keeping the bag, the liquid eyeliner, the red lip pencil setting spray, the lip balm, and also then this Mega Slicks lip gloss, because this is really gorgeous. So keeping all of those goodies. So 6 items in total I'm keeping if you count the bag, which is uber adorable. And then we have 7 items I'm gonna put in the giveaway. So they're actually not counting the bag as an item. So this is like the 13th little thing if you count that. So again, going into the giveaway, the little eye palette, the highlighting powder, 2 bronzers, 1 blush, which is really gorgeous, got some shine to it, the Unicorn Glow brush, and also the Mega Volume mascara. So I can't wait for one of you guys to win these goodies. So like I said, go check out vlog number 97. That will give you all the details on what you have to do to enter. And I appreciate you guys watching so much. Thank you for taking the time out to watch my video. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave me a big thumbs up if you do, and of course go ahead and subscribe so when you head over to that giveaway you will already have that done. And make sure to turn on notifications too so you know of my future uploads, future giveaways, and when I announce the winners. So thank you guys so much again for watching. I love you, and I will see you next time. Bye.